Hey everyone, it's Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. This is the podcast for Wednesday, February 7th, 2024. I'm going to talk about Valentine's Day. It's a week from today. And if you're single, supposedly this is one of the saddest or loneliest days for some singles. It doesn't have to be. And I'm going to talk about 10 things you can do on Valentine's Day as a single woman or a single person, period. This applies to man or woman. 1, pamper yourself. Make yourself a spa day or book an appointment at a spa. Get a nice relaxing massage, get a facial. Just pamper yourself. You are worthy, you are worth it, and you deserve to be pampered. You don't have to wait on anybody else to do it. 2, have a Galentine's party. This is for women, invite your girlfriends over and, have a hen party. That's what they used to call it back in the day. This guys, I guess you call it a Galentine party, I guess. Invite them over and have, just have some fun. Enjoy each other. 3, you can take a class. Is there something you want to learn about? Something you want to try? Painting, gardening. Maybe you want to read some poetry or read some fiction or whatever. Just take a class that you're interested in and spend some time again with yourself. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It'll also keep your mind occupied if you're one of those people, oh, woe is me, I'm single, it's Valentine's Day, blah, blah, blah. For one, nothing wrong with being single on Valentine's Day. And if that's what you need to do to get your mind off of it, do it. 4, you can go on a solo travel adventure. Take a day trip somewhere or take the whole week or whatever. Is there someplace you've always wanted to go, but maybe you were in a relationship and he or she didn't want to go and you didn't want to go alone? There's nothing wrong with being single. There's nothing wrong with traveling solo. We need to get that out of our heads. Society has put that in our head for some reason, that being single and traveling alone, doing anything alone, that it's wrong. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So please get that out of your head. Life is too short. If you want to experience other places and other people, cultures, food, art, whatever, do it. Don't wait for tomorrow because tomorrow might not come. 5, indulge in your favorite hobby. What do you like to do? Me, I like to bake. I like to do some gardening. It's February, so it's a little cold to be outside in some places to go gardening, but you can start your seeds inside. You can read a book. Get your Kindle out. Read on the Kindle. Watch TV. Netflix and chill. Is there some series out there that you just want to get caught up on or you just want to binge watch it? Do that. Don't be one of those people who's a workaholic. All you do is work, 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 and you don't have any time for yourself. You'll get burned out. You might get angry, irritable. You're just done with it. Don't let that happen to yourself. Always take time out for yourself. 6, volunteer. For me, that would probably be volunteering at the local Humane Society because I love animals. You can volunteer wherever. Go to a senior citizens home, go to a school, go to a library, go to a hospital, wherever, that interests you and you want to volunteer and give back to your community, do so. In the Bible, it says where much is given, much is required. I'm paraphrasing, I know. But remember that you always need to give. You never know when you might be on the other end and you need somebody to give to you. So do that, be proactive and volunteer and give back to your community. 7, create a gratitude journal. This is a good one. Every day we wake up, this is my opinion, it's a holiday, it's Christmas. Some people didn't get to wake up today. So write in your gratitude journal. To me, that would be number 1 every day. I woke up today. Number 2, I'm alive or I'm healthy. Maybe I got a new promotion or whatever. Whatever you're grateful for, write that in your journal so you'll remember. That may come in handy when you're having a rough day and you're just like, oh my goodness, I can't deal with today. I can't deal with people. I can't deal with whatever. Then you can go to that gratitude journal and say, hey, back on Valentine's Day or whatever day, this is what I was grateful for. So whatever I'm going through now, is it really that big of a deal? Probably not. 8, have a gourmet meal. Now you can go to a restaurant or you can make this yourself. You can get takeout, you can get delivery. But just enjoy, I'm one of those people, and so is my sister. We just throw a TV dinner in there sometimes in the microwave and cook it, and that's what we have for dinner. Make yourself a nice meal. It doesn't have to be gourmet, just a nice meal, a change of pace. Don't just eat a sandwich. Don't just eat the TV dinner, but make yourself a full meal, or again, order it from a restaurant, get it delivered, or go pick it up, or just go eat at a restaurant. I used to do that all the time before COVID. I didn't care about eating alone. I cared about the experience. I cared about eating out in a restaurant. I'm one of those people, it's nice to have a waiter or waitress bring me my food, and I did tip. I'm not one of those people that was stiff on the tip. It was just a nice experience. Now, when COVID shut everything down, and ever since then, I don't go out to eat anymore unless I get it takeout. I don't even get it delivered. I just go pick it up, order it on the app or online and then go pick it up. But so what? That's a nice meal. I can bring it back and enjoy myself, enjoy my home, and have a good meal. That's an idea. 9, movie night. Kind of goes with what we were talking about earlier about Netflix and chill. You can have a movie night. I know everybody out there's got some streaming services, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, whatever. Find some movies you've always wanted to watch, you've been putting off. Now's the time. Or actually go to the movie theater. I used to do that before COVID, but after COVID, I don't do that because I'm not trying to be funny, but some people are nasty in them theaters. They put their feet up on the chairs, on the seats, on the back of the seats, and their feet are all black and dirty, or they just, let's be honest, they just outright stink. The people, not just the feet, they just stink. And I'm like, nah, I'm not going to do that. And when I did go, before COVID, I would go to the very top and get in the middle so I could see the screen. There's nobody who can get behind me and put their feet up on there, because that's just disgusting to me. And people are coughing and I don't go anymore. Let's put it that way. If I want to watch a movie, I watch it at home. And there's nothing wrong with that. 10, buy yourself flowers or a gift. You're worthy. You deserve it. Remember this time last year, I think, Miley Cyrus had that song out called Flowers. Why not do that for you? You can buy your own flowers. You can buy yourself your own gift. Maybe you set a goal. Maybe you set a goal at work. I wanted to finish a project. It was supposed to be done on Friday. I got it done on Wednesday. Maybe you wanted to lose weight. You wanted to lose 5 pounds, or you wanted to lose 5 pounds towards your full goal. You've done that. You wanted to save money. Say you wanted to save $500 in your checking account or savings account. You did that. Celebrate your wins. Celebrate you. There's nothing wrong with doing that. That way, if you do want to get a romantic love and you get it in a romantic love, a relationship, you can celebrate him or her. But don't forget celebrating yourself too. It's important. Valentine's Day is Love Day. A lot of people seem to think that it's only romantic love. It's self-love too. It can be love to a parent, to a child, to a sister, a brother, a friend. But it can also be, and I think an important one, is self-love. I think if more people practice self-love, we'd be better off, not only as a country, but as a world. We need to love each other, yes, but before you can do that, you need to love yourself. So remember that. Those are just 10 quick ideas I thought about that you can do as a single person on Valentine's Day. Me, I think I'm going to do the meal. Let's see what else. Probably watch something on TV. I don't know if I'll be watching a movie or a TV show. And I'm probably going to bake something because I do enjoy baking. That's one of my favorite hobbies. So, again, people, self-love, Love Day, Valentine's Day. Let's not get it twisted. Let's quit putting Valentine's Day only means romantic love. It doesn't. It's all types of love. It is Love Day. So my question of the week this week is, what are you, as a single person, going to do for yourself for Valentine's Day 2024? That's the question of the week. Leave a comment and let me know. Also, like the podcast. That helps me out quite a bit. And subscribe. Subscribe not only to this podcast, but to the YouTube channel, Buffy's Flavorful Journey. All of that helps me out and keeps me motivated to keep the content coming out. And most of all, just thank you. Thank you for spending a little time with me, family. I appreciate it. But I cannot stress this enough. Valentine's Day is Love Day, and that can be self-love. Please, people, learn to love yourself, and once you do, hold on to that. Do not let it go. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast and/or video on YouTube. Bye for now.